unboxing. I was quite surprised with the decent sized box, but pulled it apart and it comes with a carry bag for the extra. Comes with your manual, also neatly packaged, plain packaging, but for something from eBay, not too bad. Scissors, decent comb, scissors seem to be sharp, so there's your straight scissors and there's your scissors for thinning. Comes with a range of combs for different cutting lengths. So you have your small up to your large and your left and right ear, allowing you to cut around the ear, giving you an even shape. USB charger, cord, plus your cleaning brush and lubricant. The specifications on the clippers are an alloy ceramic self-sharpening head, approximately 4.5 centimeters across for cutting. Power consumption is 10 watts. Has a lithium ion battery, 250 milliamp per hour, which charging times between 4 to 5 hours on the USB, and that was with a 2 amp USB charger, and approximately running time is 240 minutes. I was curious to see how this cheap cordless clipper would actually work. It's a half decent size. I'm actually rather impressed. Little concerns is the aluminium and ceramic head for cutting, but easy to clean, rather nice in size, and charges rather quickly. Features: a powerful motor running at 6,500 RPM with a battery capacity of 2,500 milliamp per hour, should give you roughly around 250 minutes running time. It also has a LCD to provide you with a display on the actual percentage of charge left. It also provides a low battery cutoff and has a decent design, as well as very quick and easy removable heads for cleaning. It is waterproof, but for splashes of water, not to be actually thrown into a bowl of water. So what do I think of the pros? Well, basically decent size switching for easy access on and off, very easily cleaned, has an adjustable rotator to run from 0.8 mil to 2 mil adjust. The charger on the back, very easily read display, and on top of that is actually quite comfortable to use with the wide angle, making it a lot quicker to shave than some of the smaller ones. The cons: a little concerned about the ceramic cutter for the comb. It is an aluminium, but we'll see how that goes through time. Other than that, I don't really see much of a problem with it. It will come down to how long will it last. Thank you very much for watching this review on the clippers I bought from eBay. Remember, they were only under $36. Thank you for watching. Catch you again.